Hi, I just wanted to share my story with Three Little Birds for Life.
Hey, I just want to share my.
What are you doing here?
Well, I was just about to get to that when you cut me off.
Let me guess. You were about to say,
We
we
just
just
wanted to
wanted to
share
share
our
our
experience
experience
with
with Three
Three
Little
Little
Birds for
Birds for
Life.
Life.
Jinx, fine, you can stay in my video just as long as you're going to help.
Deal.
My name is Allie.
And I'm 20 years old.
A year ago, I was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer.
No way, me too.
Duh, because we're kind of the same person.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Anyways, I have a tumor in my colon.
And in my lungs and lymph nodes.
I've had 12 rounds of chemo and surgery.
Well, technically, it was 6 rounds of chemo, then surgery, then 6 more rounds of chemo.
During surgery, they removed the tumor in my colon and 75 lymph nodes.
You want to see?
Keep your shirt down.
But it's so cool looking.
You would do that. Now, please put your shirt down.
Okay, fine.
Let's move on. What would a wish mean to me?
Well, it would mean a lot of things. First, it would mean not having to worry about cancer all the time. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem free philosophy.
It's not Hakuna Matata. It means getting to experience life as a normal 20-year-old.
It means fun. It's not all about fun and games. Party pooper.
It's not worrying about what my results are going to say, or what my labs are going to say, or what my doctors are going to say.
And why do we worry about what these people think?
Well, these people are kind of important. You kind of owe them your life.
Right.
It's about having fun without fears.
And living life to its fullest.
Being 20 and having colon cancer is kind of strange.
Because it's an old man's disease.
That's a stereotype, and obviously you don't fit it.
I break stereotypes.
I am the youngest patient at my clinic. My doctor said it is weird having someone younger than she is.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow.
Now, what are you doing? I'm trying to be serious here.
And I'm not.
I can tell.
Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold you back anymore.
Do you have to keep singing?
Let it go. Let it go.
Okay, out. You're ruining my video.
Okay, bye.
Well, this is my story. Well, part of it. Well, I'll see you soon. Bye.